What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to open and set up the roof tent on top of the car. The first step is going to be removing the cover. First thing you do is remove those two straps and then unzip it all the way around. Little life hack, attach a string to the zipper so that it's easier to grab as you go all the way around the car. And what I like to do with the straps over the cover is once I take the cover off, just roll them up and stick them on top of the car so that they're out of the way of the door. Alright, now the next step is to undo the straps on the sides of the tent that are keeping it closed, and then extend the ladder off the top so that you can pull it down and open it up from the other side. Now that the ladder's extended, I'm going to go ahead and open up the tent. Another helpful tip with the ladder is to drill your own holes so that it is leveled on your car. The holes that came on the ladder are all the way down here, and the tent was sitting at a weird incline, so I just drilled my own holes to make sure that the tent is nice and level. Now that the tent is open, we have to put up all the windows. I'll show you how to do that now. And when it's windy, you stake these down in the ground to keep this from flying around. But it's not too windy today, so I'm not going to be doing that. Just going to let them hang. And just like that, the tent is all set up and ready for the night. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this sort of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more of this content, and leave some comments down below, and make sure to hit the notification bell so that you are notified when we make a new video. We will see you in the next one.